In a long narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6806, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, mentioned 7 groups of people who will be granted shade on the Day of Judgment by Allah, the Exalted. This shade will protect them from the horrors of the Day of Judgment, which includes the unbearable heat caused by the sun being brought within 2 miles of the creation. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2421. One of these groups includes the just ruler. This in fact includes every Muslim who strives to fulfill their duties as a ruler and shepherd over their dependents, such as their children. This is the one who strives to fulfill all the duties towards Allah, the Exalted, and people, especially to those under their care. It includes those Muslims who have no dependents, as each person is a ruler over their own body, and worldly blessings they have been granted by Allah, the Exalted, such as wealth. So when one rules over their body by using each organ and limb according to the teachings of Islam, and utilizes each blessing they possess in a way pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, then they too are counted as a just ruler. The one who acts justly always aims to please Allah, the Exalted, even if it leads to the displeasure of people and their inner devil. In reality, the just Muslim is the one who strives in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience while fulfilling the rights of Allah, the Exalted, their own rights and the rights of people. The next person who will be granted shade on Judgment Day are those who love other people for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. This means they interact, advise and help others only for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. They prove their love through actions, not just through their words. They never demand nor expect anything in return for what they do from people, and only hope in reward from Allah, the Exalted. This sincerity is the foundation of Islam, as each Muslim will be judged according to their intention, not just their deeds. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1. Those who act for the sake of people will be told on Judgment Day to gain their reward from those who they acted for, which will not be possible. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 3154. Acting with sincerity not only earns countless reward in both worlds, but it ensures one places they hope in Allah, the Exalted, instead of people. When one places hope in people, they will eventually, sooner or later, be let down by them, which leads to enmity, broken relationships, bitterness, and other sins and negative characteristics. Loving for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, is a branch of perfecting one's faith, according to a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4681. This is because controlling one's love is a very difficult thing to do. Whoever achieves this will find the other duties of Islam straightforward. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.